Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mathematics Year 3, Space, Recognize Prism and Non-Prism. Prism. A prism is a solid object with identical ends, flat faces, the same cross-section all along its length. Cross-section is the shape we get when cutting straight through an object. Okay. A prism is a polyhedron or a solid with flat faces that includes two faces that are both congruent and parallel. Non-prism. A non-prism is a shape that does not fit those rules. Okay, does not fit those rules. Which rule? Okay, this rule. Okay. Square prism. A three-dimensional cube where the six faces are square. The opposite sides and angles of a square prism are congruent and parallel to each other. Okay. Square prism square prism got six flat surfaces of equal size, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Okay. Flat surface, vertex and edge. Okay. Flat surface ni permukaan rata. Okay, permukaan rata. Vertex, okay, bucu ni, and edges, sisi, okay, edge. Okay, now, rectangular prism is a three-dimensional shape having six faces where all the faces, top, bottom, and lateral faces of the prisms are rectangles such that every two opposite side faces are identical. Okay, which means, okay, six flat surface, top, bottom, and lateral surface identical, 8 vertices, and also 12 edges. Okay, now look at this. Okay, now we go to the next prism, which is triangular prism. A triangular prism is a 3D polyhedron with 3 rectangular sides and 2 triangular sides, identical to each other. The triangular prism consists of 2D shapes, rectangles and triangle, as it faces. The top and bottom of the prism are in the shape of triangles that are known as bases. Okay. Two triangular bases, okay, two triangular, 1 and 2. 3 side faces which are in the shape of rectangle. Okay, shape of rectangle 1. Okay, and the bottom 2, and the other side 3. 9 edges. Okay, now look at 4 edges. Okay, edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and 6 vertices. Okay. And 6 vertices. Bucu dia ada 6. Okay. Now, this is characteristic of a prism. Okay. A prism has 5 or more flat surfaces. Also has 2 opposite surfaces of the same shape and size, each called the base, and has no curved surface. Okay. Has no curved surface. Curve means permukaan melengkung. Okay. Okay. Here the characteristic of a prism. Okay. Shape sphere. Sphere is not a prism. Okay, because sphere got a curved surface. Okay, now look at this sphere, curved surface. So sphere is not prism. Okay, cone, is it cone a prism? No. Okay. Okay, cone is not a prism also because cone got only one flat surface and then one curved surface. Okay, don't have two opposite surface. Okay, so and then pyramid. Is it pyramid is a prism? Okay, 5 or more flat surface, but don't have two opposite surface of the same shape. Okay, and no curved surface. Okay, characteristic for pyramid. And then cylinder also not a prism. So sphere, cone, pyramid, cylinder, all the four shape here is not a prism. Okay, now open your activity book page 129, 130 and 131. Okay, shape. Okay, recognize prism and non-prism. There are three activity here. Okay, three activity here. First, match. Connect the dot lines, name the prism. And then activity 2, fill in the blank, use the words given. And 2, complete the table. Activity 3, color the prism blue and color the non-prism with red. Okay, class, that's all for today. See you. Thank you. See you next lesson.